Oceanside is home to the 101 Cafe, the oldest cafe on historic Highway 101. Hey, it's Ivan from Powers Premier Real Estate, and this is San Diego. So I'm here with chef and partner Herlen Galvez. Herlen, thanks so much for having us out.
Thanks for coming, Yvonne. We're happy to have you here.
Stoked to be here. So let me ask you, tell us a little bit about the history of this amazing place.
Well, the 101 was started in 1928, and in 2028, we're gonna be 100 years old.
Wow.
We've seen the vast majority of the modern time history of Oceanside. We're heavy in the community here.
For sure. So everything from the roaring 20s back then to Camp Pendleton being built and all of the soldiers coming in for World War II, to the 50s where you became a drive-in diner, to today, right?
Yeah,
incredible.
Certainly. Like, we get a lot of Marines that have been coming here since the 40s. They'll tell us like, hey, my wife used to be a server here in 1950 something, and we're like, wow, that's awesome. Like,
that's
how many
phenomenal.
diners can say that?
For sure, for sure. So someone trying it out for the first time, what's something that they have to order?
Well, if you're a breakfast kind of guy or person, you're definitely going to want to have a drive-in south. It's our country fried steak with some crispy hash browns and eggs your way. It's definitely one of those things that people love here.
Sounds delicious. I'm gonna go ahead and order that.
Awesome. Cook it up for you.
Herlen, this looks phenomenal right here. I can't wait to dive in. Now, you were mentioning earlier that you have some brand new menu items coming up. What can we look forward to?
Well, we're definitely looking to get more of a lunch crowd. We want to get a nice pastrami sandwich on there, a nice Reuben. You know, these like diner classics that everybody loves.
For
and
sure.
we just want to put it out there.
Awesome, awesome. What about your beverage program? I know that you're really into high-end coffee. What can we look forward to there?
Yeah, I definitely love coffee. And we're trying to bring out like nice lattes, cappuccinos, espressos, you know, start with the basics and then just work on that.
Awesome, awesome. Well, we got one right here, so thanks again.
Thank you for coming.
Thank you for having us. Cheers. My name is Ivan from This is San Diego, brought to you by Powers Premier, revolutionizing real estate. We'll see you next time.